Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear colleague, AI Club Future is here. For doctors, my name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. Who we are? We are just vascular surgeons interested in AI technology and eager to transfer knowledge to all doctors to benefit their patient and themselves. This is initiative of the Egyptian Vascular Club and the Pan-Arab Vascular Surgical Society collaborating in creation of AI club for vascular surgeon and all doctors. What is our vision? Our vision is to foster a community of vascular surgeons who are at the forefront of AI innovation, driving advancement in patient care through ethical and responsible integration of AI technologies into vascular surgery practice. We envision a future where AI empowers surgeons with enhanced diagnostic accuracy, personalization, treatment plans, improved surgical outcome, and ultimately better patient experience. Our mission is for Vascular Surgery AI Club to empower vascular surgeons with the knowledge and the skills necessary to effectively leverage artificial intelligence in their practice. We are honored and delighted to present our board member, Professor Munir Nazal, who is an eminent vascular consultant, head of the vascular unit in Toledo University, and he has a lot of activity in artificial intelligence, both creating and following an AI club in Florida University. He has a lot of innovation in the AI technology. Professor Martin Marish, a senior consultant of vascular and endovascular surgery in Bahrain in BDF. He's also examiner in the Royal College of Surgeons of Ireland, and he is also a examiner in the European Board of Vascular Surgery. He's very interested in artificial intelligence with a lot of research and a lot of developing tools in artificial surgery. Professor Murad Salam, eminent consultant of Guy's and St. Thomas's Hospital, and he also is a program director for around 10 robotic program in Guy's and St. Thomas's Hospital. All of them are vascular surgeon and board members of the AI Club. I am honored and delighted and privileged to have with us one of the two visionary vascular surgeons all over the world, Professor Jamal Hubballah, Professor and Chairman, Department of Surgery at the American University of Beirut, and Professor Khalid Abdelal, Consultant Vascular Surgeon and Endovascular Surgeon, French College of Vascular Surgery. Both are board member with us in the direction of the AI Club that we are going to take to help doctors and help patients together. How you can be a member definitely will be different from others. It will be very easy. There is no membership fees. We are available on these platforms: WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, and mid all. So you don't necessarily to have a membership number. There is no requirement. There is no annual fees. You just need to join any of these platforms of your choice. For Telegram, if you just scan this QR code. You will be in our Telegram group. And for YouTube, if you just scan this QR code, you will be with us on the YouTube channel. For Facebook, just scan this QR code, you will be with us in Facebook channel. For WhatsApp, just scan this QR code, you will be with us on WhatsApp. Finally, on MidAll, which is a great platform for all doctors, you can just scan this QR code and you will be immediately a member of the AI club. We have a website which is avc-egypt.com/AI for EVC. And we will have another website with the Pan Arab Vascular Surgical Society with section of the website as well that is being developed at the moment. What AI Club can give a doctor or a vascular surgeon in a simple, clear way? How it can help me? Well, here is some of the helping tools AI will offer you. It will offer you a diagnosis of the patient condition which should be more accurate and more correct. It gives you diagnosis of a CT angiogram through a special gate of AI. Not all AI are giving this capability. We will show you how. You can create a presentation using AI. You can improve your CV for jobs. It can get you a better CV. It will convert books into podcasts that you can listen to while you are driving your car. It will train you for the communication skills that is needed in your work and your examination and your career. It will prepare you better for certain exam like MRCS examination. It will suggest to you the best patient treatment with evidence proved algorithm. And it also will show us where is the direction of the future, where robotics will be doing the ultrasound shortly rather than human. And these are one of the basic terms. So welcome to join up to a trip to the unknown. We are not sure what is the future of AI will bring to us, but here we are dealing with artificial intelligence, which is above the level of the human, and we can all benefit from AI in our practice. Thank you very much. This is just an introduction of the AI Club for all doctors. We hope you join us in this trip. Put your questions, put your comment for an interactive forum. And we are going to give lectures probably twice per month on this platform. You will find the link of this lecture. I wish you all the best. Wish you a new, happy, prosperous year for you, for your patient, and for your relation with AI. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.